Take off.
The night is getting darker as I wander through the trees. I can hear the wind as it rushes through the leaves. I hope it makes sense when I say I really need that sound. Cause somewhere in the silence there's a voice of stone. It says I'm good for nothing and I'll never find a home. The wind is a reminder that it's gonna be alright somehow. And now we lie here in the middle of the dark. There isn't any fire but it still feels sparse. When you kiss me on the cheek, you make it hard to speak. You make me wanna leave the ground. And I say, oh, 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 I've got a place to go, oh, oh, I've got a hand to hold. After the sun goes down, and I've got a place to hide. Now that you're by my side, nothing's gonna get me down, cause I've got a hand to hold. Yeah, I've got a hand to hold. It's getting darker as I wander through the woods. If loving one another is the greatest of the goods, why does every brother try to kick each other when they're down? And somewhere in the silence there's a voice of stone. It says we're good for nothing and we'll always be alone. But after I discovered you, I don't believe that sound. And now we lie here in the middle of the dark. There isn't any fire but it still feels sparse. When you kiss me on the cheek, you make it hard to speak. You make me wanna leave the crowd. And I say, oh, 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 I've got a place to go, oh, oh, I've got a hand to hold. After the sun goes down, and I've got a place to hide. Now that you're by my side, nothing's gonna get me down, cause I've got a hand to hold. I've got a place to go, oh, I've got a hand to hold. After the sun goes down, and I've got a place to hide. Now that you're by my side, nothing's gonna get me, cause I've got a place to go, oh, I've got a hand to hold. After the sun goes down, after the sun goes down, and I've got a place to hide. Now that you're by my side, nothing's gonna get me down, cause I've got a hand to hold. Yeah, I've got a hand to hold.